This video has home remedies of papaya leaves for dengue fever. Dengue. Dengue is spread by several species of mosquito of the Aedes type. Dengue fever is a mosquito-borne tropical disease caused by the dengue virus. Symptoms begin in dengue patient 3 to 14 days after infection. Dengue has symptoms like a high fever, headache, vomiting, muscle and joint pains, and a characteristic skin rash. Papaya leaf. Papaya is small, sparsely branched tree. Leaves of papaya are large, deeply palmately lobed with 7 lobes. 2 colored of papaya are seen. One is orange colored and other is yellow. Contents of papaya leaf. It has phenolic compounds, papain, and alkaloids which are antioxidant. Some studies show that leaf extract of papaya enhances platelet counts in dengue patient. There is some home remedies of papaya leaves. 1. Papaya juice. Take green fresh papaya leaves and clean it with water. Then dry that leaves with a clean cloth. Make small pieces of leaves and add that into a grinder. Add a little bit of water and grind. Extract of leaves strains with the help of the clean cotton cloth. Papaya juice has an extremely bitter taste. So, take 1 tablespoon juice in the first day and after that gradually increase. 2. Papaya leaves tea. Take papaya leaves and clean it. Cut that leaves into small pieces and add to a pan. Add water to the pan and boil it up to it remains half of water. Then strain the liquid into a cup. It has a bitter taste. Hence, you can add a little bit of honey to it for the good taste. Thank you for watching. Please, like, share and comment.